Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I made a tropical berry smoothie. Real good and it's really healthy. Let's get started. So get your blender and put in 1 cup of vanilla yogurt. Like that. And then add half a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, one banana, and 1.5 cups of mixed berries. Now these are frozen, so you don't have to put ice. And the berries that I'm using are blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. So put them all in there, put on the lid, and blend it for about 60 seconds or so. Oh, look how creamy that works. Yum. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for a tropical berry smoothie. Oh man, it is so creamy and it's really good, so let's give it a try. Oh, so refreshing and it's perfect for a very hot summer day. So, yeah, it's really good. So, thank you guys so much for watching the new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next one for a new recipe. Peace out.